Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to say happy Mother's Day weekend to all of you. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. We are just basically about to head out to Nisha's, having a little get together. So we are actually just on our way. We're about to leave to head out. We had a busy day. We had a bit of running around, but it wasn't that much to vlog, so I didn't decide to vlog. You see this one here, all up into herself. But look how pretty she looks. She did her hair herself. Yeah. So I guess that you say my Instagram baddie. So I'm just waiting for hubby. Hubby's getting ready. The other one decides that he ain't coming, he's staying home, so that's okay. That is okay. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. I know I'm enjoying my weekend. Unfortunately, it is back to school, so I do have some assignments and stuff already to get done, but your girl is trying to get that all together. But yeah. Oh, let's go see what hubby's up to. Let's see if he is ready.
All of these pictures.
Let's see if he's ready. He's still.
Mommy, I'm gonna.
Wait, guess he's not ready as
I'm
yet.
hungry.
You're always hungry. Hey, baby. What are you doing? Well, obviously, guys, he ain't ready. He's butt naked. So
stop telling.
Okay, well, he's not butt naked. He has no top on, but he just came from the barber and got his hair. My hubby looking all spiffy. Look at him, just the way I love to see him looking good. What are you doing?
May I take a check?
Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'm just gonna quickly iron his shirt right now. And where's the iron?
I got my nose pierced.
So I'm gonna quickly iron her shirt right now. Then we're gonna end it up just
my
heading out. Okay, guys, we are finally leaving. Yay!
Also 5 hours later.
Yeah, 2 hours later. What happened to the car? So look at this one. What do you mean? Why you ain't walk? You're bright.
No,
Oh,
you
not gonna walk.
can't come out that car walk on and mommy can't drive.
So we got Miss Thing in the back.
Can I get my small one?
Can you get your small one?
Yeah, bring one here, right? Tiny one.
You know, say you don't have any more to get.
I know.
Boat. So yeah, we are finally ready to go. Oh, Mother's Day. I can't believe it's Mother's Day weekend already. I can't believe it.
Oh God.
Oh yes.
Wait, what?
Oh, nothing. So yeah, we're on our way. I'll get back to you when we reach where we are going. Look, whoa. Oh, there's a lot of people at the park.
Yeah.
And I see over there, look. Like they're playing ball. It's a bunch of teenagers. And it's Memphis. Babe! So, Elsie almost ran me over. Oh, no, jerk the car, just jerk.
I run you over.
Oh, see them block off there, so you see, because they haven't finished to build the homes them down there yet. Oh man, it's all down there block off. I need your location. Tell Nisha say I feel fault you're late.
Really?
No, not true. You're extra late.
About on a fault.
2 hours later?
Extra late. Huh?
Yeah, 2
later?
hours later.
Yeah, pretty much.
Jamaican living in the Jamaica.
That is just excuse.
No excuse, that's true.
No, that is an excuse.
My last time we go on a baby shower? Okay.
But that was
We reached
different.
2 hours early.
That was different.
Wait, you sit down till my body burn me.
I'm not gonna get up and walk.
You know
Okay.
how long it takes.
Yo, you're so live because your mouth is open before you can. Chewing gum. You're lucky. You know what? When Ramon handed me the cake, I'm like, why is the cake so big? But like, you don't know this now. Mommy, ta-da!
She's like, who's all these people?
Is she working? No. Lily. And you, that's...
The party has begun. Oh, Mr. William took off somewhere. Don't know where he's gone. But we're waiting. I don't think they're outside. No, I think he went to the store. So, yeah, I'm not sure where he
Call
went.
them and tell them to get my tablet on the way back. Drive to
You're at a party. What are you doing about you need tablet?
But I know.
You'll be being anti.
Mario-
End up
Mario
being
said-
antisocial.
Yeah, Mario said it's called my life.
Yeah.
I mean, like, it is.
It is. I'm sorry for you. I need to get unattached right now. My yummy food. You don't want to catch it on fire.
Oh, stop!
She's like, let her back.
You share? Yes.
Oh, God.
That.
Her turn. Oh, my God.
You need it. That's not her birthday.
Okay, I didn't do that.
It's your birthday.
Yes, guys. We're having some juice.
She got scared.
Who? Oh, little Lily. Oh, look at her. Look
She
at
would have bite him in the
Lily.
face. Like what Andre did to me when I took him up. He bit me in the face. I'm like,
No.
madam.
She don't want nobody holding her up. She just wants to be free. I don't even know where Mario is. I think he's outside with Ziggy. I don't even know what they're doing. Isha's somewhere around. I'm just holding a vibes over here in the corner, listening to some tune. That is what I am doing, not too much. Well, the kids are enjoying themselves. They're playing hide and seek. Yes. And here's the birthday girl, Shauna Banana, looking hot. And there's the baby daddy over in the corner.
No, we don't do baby daddies
The
over here.
husband, the
Baby
husband.
fathers, yeah, and
Sorry.
husband.
No,
Yeah,
baby.
invisible ring, there, guys. It's there.
No, they ring there. She just didn't put it on.
Actually,
She-
you know
she
what?
left it at
I do
home.
have a ring, but after pregnancy, it doesn't fit. My finger got too
I
big.
know,
Yeah.
I get fat. Mine
Follow
got
me,
fat, I
guys.
couldn't fit
Shauna
any.
Banana 88, and you know.
Yes, follow her, guys. And there's Chef Mike in the building as usual.
No, it'd be like hot belly.
No, sir. That's fate. That's generally fate. You do that a lot too. What are you drinking, Chef Mike? The people want to know, what are you having?
Apple juice.
Apple juice. Here, guys, apple juice. He's the good one. He's drinking apple juice. I'm drinking apple juice too.
It's an apple juice.
Cheers to the apple juice.
I never invite no rays or nephews or cousins and stuff like that.
No, I guess next time we gotta invite some of them.
Alright. You know, and you have certain people you invite, but you didn't invite.
Yeah.
I didn't invite the nephews this time. So apple juice,
No, just apple juice. Okay.
Say no, say apple time, right?
Yes, I know. Apple juice is apple then.
I just wanted
See,
to make
there it goes. Confirmation, guys. No gosh. Anisha's somewhere over there. Oh! I almost lost the phone. yeah, guys.
Is blogging?
Yes.
Live thing?
No, it's not live.
Not yet. Not yet.
No, it's not yet. If you guys want to see some more cooking vlog from Mike, if you do, give a thumbs up. Hit up Nisha. I will give you guys
Anything you guys want to learn to
YouTube
cook?
channel.
Kitchen tricks.
Judah.
Come here, man. What I'm telling you?
He likes the video like because he hasn't been over here all day.
He loves phone and the little nephew.
He loves the video live.
Be good,
No, guys.
come on now.
Yeah. So hit up the Newbies family and tell them that you guys want to see Chef Mike cooking. He is amazing. And he also does catering, guys, which is good. So if you do live in the GTA Toronto area, Durham region, he does catering, right? So hit him up. Family scattered all over the place, but it's nice, you know. We're just here holding our vibes, enjoying our Mother's Day weekend. Can't say too much. Oh, there's one.
Hi.
Your face. Bye. So we just reached in. We had a great night. Oh, I left my wallet in the car.
Really?
Yeah.
Here.
So you say good night to the people. So we are about to. You need a pee? So we are about to head. Look at Faye, it's so disgusting. Faye take that bathroom and this one's running. So yeah, guys, we're about to head to bed. Oh, we had a great night, and happy birthday again to Shana Banana, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there in the world. And we will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.
Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing.
Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. When days bad days, you know say you with up. Me with a trade house and car and shed up. Just forget 1 more minute with my brother. So you get up, spend time together.